This is a sponsored video and I received this for free. How's it going? This is the RONGSHU RP3500 NVMe SSD. I am all about reliable storage becoming more and more affordable. This is just yet another very decent entry into the market. It's PCIe Gen3. Here's a speed test when installed internally to see how it would function as a boot drive, and it works great. And if you want to use this externally in an enclosure, you can. The speed for that is going to vary just depending on your USB ports and the enclosure you use. It's going to completely depend on your specific setup. Internally though, this thing does reach its max advertised speed, so I am very happy about that. What is this good for? Well, it's good as a boot drive. You can use it for gaming. You'll get incredibly fast load speeds, or you can also use it for, say, video editing. In fact, I've edited this entire video off of this drive. So yeah, this is a good little drive, very affordable, pretty reliable. It's as good as any other name brand out there. Definitely worth checking out.